Good morning, students. So I had asked you to write this question, right? So what the question says: observe the patterns of digits made from line segments of equal length. You will find such segmented digits on the display of electronic watches or calculators. I think you have observed like these digits, which you can see in digital watches or digital wall clocks. So many places you have observed. So now what you should do, see here, number 6 is here. Here 2 6. Here 3 6 is here. So below they are given you number 6. What does this number 6 means? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to write 6, how many lines they are read? 6 lines. Now if it is 2 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So to write 1 6, how many we need? 6. To write 2 6, 11. Next, 3 6s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 lines are there. Now, the next question is, see, your 6 is here, your 11 is here, your 16 is here. Can you see any differences as of you were doing in symmetry, skip counting or fill the pattern? See, 6. So 6, 11. What is the difference between 6 and 11? 5. Next 11, 16 is here. What is the difference between 16 and 11? 5. So if one number is extra means how many is required? 5 is required. So it goes on like this. Now you can see here they are given you 5n plus 1. So n means what here? N means what here? The numbers. How many times? See here, 1 time. Right? So 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. If I ask any number, so to write 8 6 like this, what is required means just substituting in the place of n as 8. So number of lines required. So same here, to write 4, how many is required? 4, 7, 10, 13. So what is the difference? 3 here. So they have taken here as 3. Here they are taken as 5. Okay. So algebra only says it's nothing but rules, laws, of formulas, anything, right? So same, see 5 is different. So 5 into n means numbers. How many numbers? Plus 1 will be always there. So this is like standard formulas. Same for 6, 4 and 8. Now what they are asking you is, you should, if the number of digit formed is taken to be n, the number of segments required to form n digit is given by the algebraic expression appearing on the right of each pattern. This is an algebraic expression. So how many segments are required to form 5, 10, 100 digits of the kind 6, 4 and 8. So what their question is, so this is an algebraic expression for this. We can say either formula or rule, whatever. So for this one. For this one. So they are asking to do this 5 numbers, 10 numbers, 100 numbers, what it's required. Got understood? Now we will see how to do it. See here now, make a columns like this: pattern, number of digits and number of segments. Right? They've asked what? To find out for 5, 10 and 100. So here the value of n it is. N equals 5, n equals 10, n equals 100. So for 6, what is the expression you have got here? What is the expression you have got? 5n plus 1. 5n plus 1 is an expression. Now here for these 3 values you should find out. So first one is n equals 5. So 5 into 5 plus 1. Okay. So 5 5s are 25 plus 1. So equals 26 segments. Okay. Next 10. So value of n is 10. 5 into 10 plus 1. So 50 plus 1. How much? 51 segments. Clear? Next 100 is here. So the value of n is 100. 5 into 100 plus 1. So 500 plus 1. 501 segments. Clear? Did you all understood the question? So like this you have to do for the 4 also. So 4 is written as like this. So for this you have to check it for n equals 5, n equals 10 and n equals 100. When n is with the expression they are given you here is 3n plus 1. So what you should do? You should substitute the values. 3 into n value is 5 plus 1. So 3 5s are 15 plus 1 is equal to 16 segments. Same again for this. 3 into n is 10 plus 1. So you will do it. Again 3 into n is 100 plus 1. You will simplify it and write down the answer. Okay, like this for the 8 also you should do. So what is the expression for 8 they are given in textbook? That is 5n plus 2. Again substitute the values here. N equals 5, n equals 10 and n equals 100. Substitute the values. So 5 into n value is 5 plus 2. So 5 5s are 25 plus 2. So 27. So same wise you solve this all. Clear children? Did you all understood? Huh? So same the second main also. Okay. See they have given you the tabular column like this. This is expression. So if n equals 1, if n equals 2, if n equals 3, if n equals 4, these are the values they are given. Okay. So you should find the fifth term means in this value you have to substitute the 5. So if you want the 10th means you have to fill this 10, 100. Okay. So first expression is what? 2n minus 1. First expression is 2n minus 1. Here which I should find out? When n equals 100. So put n equals 100. Right. So when I substitute n equals 100. So 2 into n is 100 minus 1. So 2 into 100 is 200 minus 1. So 200 minus 1 is 199. So here the answer will be 199. Now again where they are given you to fill? Here. So what is the expression here? 3n plus 2. I will write down 3n plus 2. Next. In the which you have to find when n equals 5, n equals 10 and n equals 100. So first I will find out for n equals 5. Then when n equals 10, then n equals 100. Okay. So now find out when n equals 5. So what is the expression? This. So 3 into n. N value is 5 plus 2. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Again n equals 10. So here 3 into n means 10 plus 2. 3 10s are 30 plus 2. So equals 32. Next when n equals 100. So 3 into n means 100 plus 2. 3 into 100 is 300 plus 2. So 302. Okay. After finding you will fill it here. Okay. See here now. Which is the expression? 3n plus 2. Here 3n plus 2. So which are the values you have find it out there? Which are the values you have got here? When n equals 5, what is the value? 17. When n equals 10, what is the value? 32. When n equals 100, what is the value? 302. Okay. So like this, you all will solve this third and fourth and fifth. Okay. Same wise you will solve this. I will write down the answer. This answer will be 21 for your confirmations whether it is right or wrong. This is 41 and this is 401. When 7n equals 7n plus 20 means 55, 90, 720, 26, 101. Okay. For all these problems You have to find a solution like this. Okay, don't write down the blank answers what I have written, because you will do the solution for this and you will do it. Clear, children? So this completes your chapter, that is algebraic expression. Got it? Yeah.